Alright, let's see what I have in my fridge. Got eggs, natto, more natto, more natto, 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 beans, beans, and more beans. Dumplings? Sure, okay. Soba noodles, aloe vera, mushrooms, nasty ass bananas, ooh. Ooh. Sushi, and phallic vegetables. And let's see. I got grape drink, cow piss, alcohol, mayonnaise, ketchup. That's it. I got trash in the freezer. Alright.